Ever scrolled through a job listing, saw a company like Asana, and wondered, what's it really like to work there? And more importantly, what kind of paycheck are we talking about? You're not alone. We've all been there, peering behind the curtain of those sleek tech company websites, trying to decipher the reality behind the glossy career pages. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Asana, not just to admire their project management prowess, but to unravel the mystery of their employee compensation. Let's be honest, salary transparency is a bit like finding a unicorn. It's rare, often shrouded in secrecy, and everyone's chasing it. But in a world where work-life balance and company culture are buzzwords thrown around like confetti, understanding the actual financial rewards is crucial. You might be a recent graduate eyeing a career in tech, a seasoned professional considering a switch, or simply someone curious about the inner workings of a successful SaaS company. Whatever your reason, you're in the right place. Asana, the collaborative work management platform, has carved a niche for itself in the competitive tech landscape. Their intuitive interface and focus on streamlining workflows have made them a go-to tool for teams across various industries. But beyond the product, what about the people behind it? What does it mean to be an Asana employee, and how does the company compensate its talent? We're going to break down the salary structures, explore the factors that influence earnings, and even peek into the often overlooked benefits and perks that can significantly impact your overall compensation. It's not just about the base salary, it's about the total package. First off, let's acknowledge the inherent difficulty in pinning down exact figures. Salary data is notoriously variable. It depends on factors like your role, experience, location, and even negotiation skills. A software engineer in San Francisco will likely earn a different salary than a customer success manager in Dublin. That said, we can still establish a general framework. To get a clearer picture, we'll be drawing from publicly available data, including sources like Glassdoor, Payscale, and LinkedIn Salary Insights. These platforms aggregate self-reported salary information from employees, giving us a valuable, albeit imperfect, snapshot of the compensation landscape. Generally speaking, Asana positions can be broadly categorized into several areas: engineering, product, sales, marketing, customer success, and operations. Within each of these categories, you'll find varying levels of seniority, from entry-level roles to senior leadership positions. For entry-level positions like associate software engineers or junior product managers, salaries typically range from $70,000 to $100,000 annually in major U.S. tech hubs. This is a common starting point for many tech companies, reflecting the competitive market for talent. Mid-level positions such as senior software engineers, product managers, or sales executives can command salaries ranging from $120,000 to $180,000 annually. These roles often require several years of experience and specialized skills, justifying the higher compensation. Senior leadership positions, including directors and vice presidents, can easily exceed $200,000 annually, with some roles reaching significantly higher figures, especially when factoring in bonuses and equity. These positions demand extensive experience, strategic vision, and proven leadership abilities. However, base salary is only one piece of the puzzle. Asana, like many tech companies, offers a comprehensive benefits package that can significantly impact your overall compensation. This often includes equity. Stock options or restricted stock units, RSUs, are common in tech companies, allowing employees to share in the company's success. This can be a significant long-term financial incentive. Health insurance. Comprehensive medical, dental, and vision insurance are standard offerings, often with generous employer contributions. Retirement plans, 401k plans with employer matching are common, helping employees save for their future. Paid time off, generous vacation, sick leave, and parental leave policies are increasingly important to attract and retain talent. Wellness programs. Many tech companies offer wellness programs, including gym memberships, mental health resources, and on-site perks like catered meals or snacks. Professional development. Asana encourages continuous learning and development, often providing opportunities for training, conferences, and tuition reimbursement. Beyond the tangible benefits, Asana also emphasizes its company culture. They promote a collaborative and inclusive environment, often highlighting their values of empathy, clarity, and balance. This translates to flexible work arrangements, remote work options, and a focus on employee well-being. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: negotiation. How much you earn ultimately depends on your ability to negotiate your salary and benefits package. Researching industry benchmarks, understanding your value, and confidently articulating your expectations are crucial skills. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Inquire about the company's compensation philosophy, the factors that influence salary decisions, and the potential for growth and advancement. Remember, negotiation is a two-way street. It's about finding a mutually beneficial agreement. It's also important to consider the cost of living in your location. Salaries are often adjusted to reflect the local market. A salary that seems generous in one city might be considered average in another. Use online cost of living calculators to compare living expenses and ensure your compensation aligns with your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.